Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing the exercises of lesson 7 word processor. Exercises A. Tick the correct answer. Dash is an example of word processor. Option B. MS Word. Tick here. Number 2. Dash is a flashing line on the screen that indicates where typed text will appear. That is option C. Insertion point. Tick here. Insertion point. Number 3. Dash is situated at the bottom of a Word document. C. Option C. Status bar. Tick here. Status bar. Number 4. A shortcut key to save a document is option C. Control S. Control S. Tick here. See the answers. Now B. Write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1. We cannot insert pictures in Word documents. No, that is false. F. Number 2. Word processor has replaced electronic typewriters. Yes, that is true. T. And number 3. Ribbon displays group of related commands in tabs. That is true. T. Number 4. Backstage view is organized into 4 panels. Number 4. That is false. This is false. Not 4. It is 3. Now, number 5. Home tab is the main tab in Word 2010. No. This is false. File tab, not home tab. So, this is false. F. See the answers. Now C. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is the area where you type the text of your document. That is work area. Work area. Number 2. Backstage view is organized in dash panels. In 3 panels. 3 panels. Number 3. We can view our document in dash different views. In 5 different views. Number 4. In backstage view, dash panel shows the commands. Which panel? The first or left panel. First or left. First or left panel shows the commands. Left panel. We can say left panel shows the command. Now, answer the following questions. First question. Write a short note on MS Word. Answer. MS Word is a word processing program which helps us to write letters, reports, etc. We can detect errors while typing in a variety of languages. Question number 2. Define insertion point. Answer. Insertion point is a flashing line on the screen that indicates where the text you type will appear. Now question number 3. Specify the purpose of 3 panels available in Backstage view. The first or left panel includes the commands you will use to work with the files created by you. The second or center panel offers related options, and the third panel displays an additional option. E. Application based question. Raj has written a paragraph on his father in MS Word. He wishes to send it to his father on his birthday next month. He does not know which option is used to keep his document in the computer. Tell him the option to keep his document for future use. The option is save. He should save his document for future use. So the option he should use is save. Okay. For that he can use shortcut key Control S. Control S is the shortcut key for save. This is all for today. If you like my video, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.